So we just got a scooty, just filled up with gas. It was 400 rupees for 4 liters, or 3 liters 80, or 3 liters 90, or something like that. Like a gallon. Well, anyway, so today we're making our way to Tatpani Hotsprings, which is still a drive from here and then a hike. So we're taking you guys along. Alright, I'm just gonna keep my helmet on real quick, but just a random stop at the road took us here. Just so beautiful. I'm so happy to be in these mountains.
I think it's safe to say that Boone is officially paradise.
Yeah, it is. So incredibly beautiful. Alright, so I'm quickly walking to the top of the waterfall. A little bit of a treacherous road. Treacherous trail, I mean. Beautiful. Watch out on these slippery rocks. There's Caro. Alright, let's head back down and to the hot springs we go. Alright, so we arrived where we start the hike. So online we read it's now still 1.5 hours of hiking, so we'll see. We followed this trail. They told us it was indeed 1.5 hours of hiking, which is quite some time. We'll probably be able to spend some time in the hot spring. I hurt my knee yesterday, so I might go a bit slower, but we'll see. It's probably a beautiful hike. Yesterday we went to a beautiful waterfall, the Beer waterfall, and so there was a first waterfall, and then there was a hike next to it. It was slightly more difficult. It required some climbing, a little bit of rock climbing, but then you reach just a beautiful waterfall. There was nobody there, so yeah, we could swim however we wanted. It was in the middle of the jungle. There's like a mixture between jungle and pine forest or something. It's hard to explain, but reminds me of Sri Lanka a little bit. But then also it's the Himalayas. Venturing near Lunikat, which is this, I think, I'm not sure, strictly prohibited, as there are chances of increasing water level at any point of time, resulting in any kind of mishap. But anyway, they told us to go this way, So yeah, no, we're on the right track. Some people, yeah, we're good. So yesterday we reached something like, but don't quote me on this, but that in Hinduism, the explanation for hot springs is that Lord Shiva was playing a game and spilled some hot oil, and everywhere where the hot oil spilled, that's where hot springs are. So yeah, some powerful springs. Alright, so we took a little break to eat some dried mango. We got this in Dharamshala. It's nature's candy. Alright, we had some snacks and we're on the move again. Rawr. Show your biceps, Carl. Show them. Rawr. Did you say? Honey bath? Alright, I'm down. Wow. Well, slightly less beautiful. Also from the power plant, I think. But then this again. Okay, let's try to fill up my bottle of water somewhere. Maybe a little bit up here. This air bottle. Let's see. Just plastic. We should have brought our metal bottle. Have a stainless steel bottle. Would have been better. I guess it's fine to drink. Alright, let's go. This might be a bay tree on the trail for bay leaf, but we can't reach it now. And I just want to reach the hot springs. Whoa, alright. Got a slipped. Well, anyways, looks beautiful. Can't wait to be there. Want to jump in one of those cold pools too. Watch out, thorns. Spikes. Oh man, I wish we brought a tent.
This would be the perfect place.
Yeah. Really wish we brought a tent. I don't know where the trail is though. Something up there. Should we have gone up there? Wow, this would have been the spot, man.
I think the trail is over there.
Yeah? Well, everyone we seem to pass on the trail seems to be in a really good mood. So we'll see. I see some buildings, it seems. I didn't expect there to be full-on buildings. Still looks nice. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh well, we'll go and see. Right, we arrived. So we saw this little concrete pool, which is probably temperature controlled. But I hope there's some completely natural pool too. We'll see. Oh yeah, there's steam coming from there too. Ooh, yeah, it seems like it. I want to be in there.
Okay, let's go explore the small temple.
There's some hot water already. Also runs in the stream, I think.
Here are the waters.
Coming out of the rock.
Holy water. Wonder how hot it is.
Steamy. Yeah, too hot probably. Now I want to go check if the pool over there is a little bit, but it seems like there's steam coming off it a little bit. Might not be too hot. Watch out, that might be really hot. I'm not sure though.
Huh. It's like very good temperature. Like not boiling. I don't know if that's very hot.
No, probably not.
Oh, there's more in here.
Oh yes. This is what we want. How hot is the pool in general?
Oh,
Yes?
it's not extreme.
But it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be nice.
Awesome! Look at this place! This is so beautiful. Oh man, I'm so happy.
This is worth it.
Yeah.
This is
Oh man. It is paradise, man.
Nature's hot tub. Uh, ah. We love hot water, we love hot showers, we love hot baths, we love hot tubs, but there's just something about, thank you, there's just something about sitting in a nice natural water hot bath in a beautiful place in nature is quite healing to the soul.
Well, that was great. Bye bye, beautiful place, beautiful spot. There, over there, in the little house is also a inside pool, but it was just so hot. Like, Kato went in for maybe half a minute, but I couldn't even keep my feet in there for longer than 20 seconds. So we were mainly in the outside pool and hiking up the rocks, doing some cold plunges in the river. Yeah, that was great.
We're very relaxed.
Yes, we are. Alright, so we made it back to the guest house. Again, like and subscribe, helps out a lot. See you guys in the next video.